So by now you have learned how we can tag any elements in the plan view. Usually the tagging is always displayed in the plan view or in the elevation view. Let's suppose for the presentation purpose you would like to show the tags in the 3D view. So let's see how we can do it here. The first step, you can switch to the default 3D view. Next, let's suppose you would like to tag this door. So to start with, I can simply go for tag by category, and then the moment you see now, the moment I click on tag by category, it will ask you the orientation of the 3D view must be locked before you can add tags or keynotes. So what does this mean? The orientation should be locked means it should not be able to orbit like this. You can zoom in and zoom out, you can pan it, but it should not be able to orbit. So for this, let's set the orientation. So let's suppose I would like to tag in this specific orientation. Once you decide your orientation, you can simply go to 3D view from the project browser. You select the default 3D view and make a duplicate copy of it. So we can go and make a duplicate copy, and you can rename this. So we can make it 3D with tag. Once done, next, to lock the orientation, now you need to come to the view control bar. In the view control bar here, you will notice there is something called unlock 3D view. So go and click on this. It will ask you save orientation and lock the view. So you can click on save orientation. Now once it is done, let's try. You can press the shift key and the wheel, you can see you cannot orbit it, but you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can even pan it. So once this is done, now you can select the tag by category option, and let's suppose I would like to start tagging the window first. So I can select the window. So let's make a first click, and then let's put a window here. Similar way, I can select the door, and then let's tag this door also. Next, we can go and add the wall. So you can tag the wall here. So let's select the tag wall, and then you will notice that here we have empty tag. So what we can do, we can simply select this tag, and let's go to edit family, and then let's edit this one. So let's take an example. Whatever we have, we can remove this, and here I just want to show the family name and the length of the wall. So let's select the length and then done. So click OK and load it into the project. So let's click OK and overwrite. So now you can see this is the basic wall with the length of 19.2 meters. So this is how you can tag any element in 3D view. Thank you very much.